Okay, let's see how long it takes to go to the Magic Kingdom. Going to the Magic Kingdom, 11:15. We'll see how long it actually takes to drive it. So let's see. Just remember, so it says 14 minutes. Just remember that it says toll plaza, or that just remember to put in the Magic Kingdom toll plaza, or any place you go if you're driving. Otherwise, it'll try to take you to the entrance many times. I've done that and ended up just
Turn left onto Flamingo Crossings Boulevard, Hartzick Road.
Started to drive and realized it was kind of taking me a wonky way and thought, okay, that's not how I want to go. I think it will take you to Ticket Transportation Center. So make sure and put the toll plaza. There's a gang. Walt Disney World, the most magical place on earth. Donald, Minnie, and the champion, the hero of them all, Mickey. The man, the myth, the legend, the mouse. So just remember, and you'll see, when you go to the Magic Kingdom, it's the only one where you actually have to, really, 2 entrances, 2 efforts to get inside the gate. Walt thought it would be good to make it across the Seven Seas Lagoon, to make it a totally separate place. I always try to take the monorail now. But it is an extra step. It takes an extra 20 minutes. Once you park, you ride the tram or walk up to the Ticket and Transportation Center where you enter the area, come through security. Then you have to go on the monorail. You either take the ferry, or if you take a mini lift, which is Disney's lift, it'll take you to the very front. But if you take a bus or a regular lift, or you drive yourself, you end up on the Ticket Transportation Center side of the Seven Seas Lagoon, and you have to make that extra trip over. One is the express monorail. If there's any line at all, many times I will take the resort monorail, because from the Ticket Transportation Center going around, you stop at the Polynesian and the Grand Floridian. That's it, before you stop at the Magic Kingdom. And usually people think the express is faster, but that'll create a line, and if you get on the one that goes to the 2 resorts before the Magic Kingdom entrance, it's actually quicker. Last time I was in a super big hurry, and yeah, that's exactly what I did, and it got me to my restaurant on time. Another little tip here. I know I share lots of these if you watch many of the videos, but this is your first one. When you're coming left here,
Turn left
these 2 lanes are really short. Usually it's backed up. Once the traffic's moving, you can avoid. It's hard to when that gets, both those lines get way backed up. If the light goes green, these lights in Florida stay green for a long time. You can actually come forward and sneak over and take that, get into one of those lanes. Last time I did this, I was in a breakneck hurry. You watch that video, like I gave myself 30 minutes to get here, which was crazy. I just lost track of time, and I had to hurry. I had to hustle. 30 minutes from hotel on a lift. I rode in a lift. The guy brought me over, Ticket Transportation Center. I rode the monorail resort, got into the kingdom, and was at my reservation. 35 minutes. I think they gave you a 15-minute window. I think they'd already taken me off the list, because when I got up there was a little bit of confusion about my name not being there. But they give you a 15-minute window, so I actually had 15 more minutes, but it was tight. Family of 4? No way. I don't think you ever would have made it. Don't make the mistakes I make. I make them for you. So to park is $35. Man, I make good time. There was hardly any traffic. It's not always the case, that's for sure. Here's another mistake. I made another video about this, but the last time I was here, I'm so adamant about taking a picture of where you park, sign, the number, and I did it, of course. I always do it. When I came out, I thought I knew where I was, and I was much closer right here to the tram when I parked, like about where I'm gonna park now. And I cut across one road too soon, walked by the truck, didn't see it, and me, a professional, it took me a minute to find it out of frustration. Finally found it. Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.